Well, 2 balls, 2 strikes, 1 out in the top of 9th, and it's pouring rain out here. Okay, Sox are up 6-2. New Hampshire is actually pressing with the man on first and second with 1 out. We're hoping for a double play ball, big time. So let's see what happens. Here's the windup and the pitch. Oh, just got that one out. Oh, no! Let the 1 run come in, that's fine. All right, 6-3.
The shortstop, number 10, Leo Jimenez.
They may just suspend the game and play those last 2 outs tomorrow.